Hello students, do you know how the climate of the earth changes periodically? Let's come to today's video. This topic is taken from your ICSE class 9 geography. Before explaining about the climatic zone, first of all we have to know the factors behind these climatic zones or the factors affecting the climate of the earth. The first factor is the axis of the earth. This is the axis of the earth and it is inclined to 23.5 degree angle. Okay. This axis is not perpendicular to the plane of ecliptic. That means the plane of revolution or the orbit in which the earth revolves. If you draw a line like this, which is perpendicular to another line, you can see that this angle is 90. Correct? Okay. The earth's axis is not perpendicular like this. That means it cannot make an angle of 90 degree. Okay. But instead of that, it makes only 66.5 degree. Okay. That is why it is not perpendicular to the plane of revolution. Instead of that, it makes, you can see here, it is tilted to 23.5. That means out of this 90, okay, it can make only 66.5. The rest is 23.5 degree. That is the inclination of the Earth's axis. So because of this inclination of the Earth's axis, the climatic changes are happening on Earth. Another factor is the spherical shape of the Earth. You can see that because of the spherical shape of the Earth, the sun rays falling to the surface of the Earth in different ways. That means the Earth's surface do not receive the same amount of heat. Okay. So here the sun rays are falling vertically so that these areas receives more heat. Coming to the north and south pole, the sun rays are falling in slanting position. That is why these areas are colder than these areas. Okay. Here the sun rays are traveling less distance. That is why this area is getting more heat. But coming to north and south pole, the sun rays are traveling more areas. That is why coming here, the heat will be lesser than these areas. So this is happening because of the spherical shape of the earth. Now climatic zones of the earth. So because of these two factors, the axis of the earth tilted to 23.5 degree and the spherical shape of the earth's climatic zones are divided or the changes of climate happen on earth. So there are three main heat zones: torrid zone or tropical zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. So first of all, torrid zone. The word torrid means very hot or dry. You can see that these are the torrid zone. North torrid zone that is existing in northern hemisphere and south torrid zone is in southern hemisphere. So this is the equator. That means here you can see very clearly the equator, including the equatorial region from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. This area full is the tropical or torrid zone. These areas are very hot because here the sun rays are falling vertically. So most of the Earth's deserts are located in these areas. Next is temperate zone. You can see this is north temperate zone and this is south temperate zone. Here the sun's rays are falling slanting position so that these areas are experiencing mild climate. The word temperate means mild or moderate. So here the climate is suitable for living. So most of the population of the world stay in this area, north temperate zone. That is from Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle is north temperate zone and south temperate zone locates from Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. Next is frigid zone. Frigid zone you can see that is the North Pole and South Pole. Here the exact location you can see from Arctic Circle to North Pole and Antarctic Circle to South Pole. These areas receives very less sun rays. It is in a very slanting position in both sides. So most of the year these areas are frozen. Frigid means frozen. Okay. So in 9 months of every year it is experiencing winter. And the other time it is always frozen. So these are the heat zones of the earth. So according to this division of climatic zones, Earth's climate is determining. So this much is about the heat zones of the earth. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Hope you understood the climatic zones of the earth. If it was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.